taking my trash to the recycling and landfill like a responsible adult. So I'm driving down the road, guys, you know, and I keep feeling something, you know, poking through the holes in my cracks, right? So, you know, I'm moving my foot around, trying to get whatever it is to go away, and I don't see nothing. I'm like, well, shoot, maybe it's a fly or something, you know, who knows? I do got all these crumbs in here. No. Y'all know what it is? Woo! Y'all are not gonna believe what was touching my foot. Okay, let me show you. Let me give you a live, up close and personal view of what was touching my foot. Y'all know what it is? It's a hermit crab. It's my daughter's hermit crab in my car, touching my feet while I'm driving. Y'all see this thing? This thing is huge. I mean, she only has like, I don't know, probably 10 of them at this point. No, you would think that she knew it was missing, but no, it's not. She didn't know it was missing. And this little thing is ballsy too, because it tried to escape out of my car when I was trying to grab it from my floorboard. So now it's underneath my car and I have to figure out how to catch it. So then I finally catch it and get it in the car. Like, I'm not even trying to touch this thing for real. Like, I'm just not. Like, I'm a chicken person. I'm not a hermit crab person. Like, come on. Come here. Just please. Try to get it to go in its shell, scare it, maybe. Put it in this cup until I get home. I mean, geez, I'm just trying to take the trash to the dump, okay? I didn't ask for all of this. I know, Jake. I know, buddy. I know. Hey, guy, get in there. You got all that energy. There we go. Oh, gosh. It's always an adventure with kids. Alright, now we're just gonna... No, it's not gonna work. There. I'm gonna use a diaper. Alright. That should hold them until we get home.